welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Welcome po sa ChaRey TV. Ako pala si Ray, and today's vlog, pupunta po tayo ng McDonald's. Alright, inibitahan po tayo ng McDonald's para sa kanila pong taste testing sa kanila pong bagong products. Ayan, meron po silang bagong crispy beef at chicken crunch. So tara, samahan nyo ako sa loob at ipapakita ko po yung events nila for tonight. Alright, so una po sa lahat, thank you sa McDonald's for sponsoring this event. Thank you so much sa inyo at more power po McDonald's. So tara, pasok na tayo sa loob.
McDonald's is bringing the flavor frenzy, a new product that comes in chicken and beef to satisfy the McDonald's customers all taste and all flavor. This is a product in addition to all what we have been doing for our customers. In Qatar, we have been evolutionizing the food business in the McDonald's world in Qatar as we lead the region in many aspects. But the key ingredient for us, number one, safety and food safety. Our customer safety, our food safety, and the quality of food that cannot be matched. The products you got in McDonald's is top quality ingredients, and we are so proud of it. We have an open door. We open our kitchen for our customers every day. Then comes the quality and the flavors and adding what our customers want. Our customers said, we want you to elevate your coffee. We did McCafe. I'm happy to tell you we have 31 McCafes today serving our customers, where people come in, as you noticed outside, they come, enjoy their meal, then have a coffee with their family, with their friends, and enjoy the experience. With our key success factor, we continue to give our customers the greatest value possible. Without further ado, the new products is being requested by our customers, and it's been done for you guys. As a media, you guys are really messengers, and I know many of you I see on television or I see on the blogging, you are very well trusted to send the right message for the right cause, for the right thing. And we have your right to know anytime you want to know about anything about our products or our business. Ultimatum, we want to satisfy every customer and give a healthy and nutritional, safe food to every customer in a safe environment. No doubt, I want to thank you very much. I appreciate your gratitude and having the time our gratitude to you having the time to come and visit us here. Thank you very much, and we appreciate your presence. Thank you.
The measures that McDonald's is really having and doing. So, serve for you is the crispy beef and the chicken sandwich. Don?
Lagay mo lang lahat ng Ricardo.
Oo, kahit mali.
Manalo ka naman eh. Meant to be siguro sa akin to.
Oo, kasi makakahala mo.
Yun o, meant to be to.
Yeah.
Guys, sasali si Yonso
And
sa
making this
contest.
crispy beef and
Sana all. Yan o, Yonso. Yun eh.
okay.
Share natin si Yon.
Okay, let's just wait. Gloves is on. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Bonds. Which sauce? Wow, good job. Alright, so let's see. Our beef is ground paprika, tortilla, roca, cheese, beef patty, and Austin sauce. Good job. And also, here. Yes, everything's complete. It's just this one should be placed here. And the Austin barbecue is for our chicken crunch. Alright? Thank you so much for participating. Yeah. Alright. Wanted to try more?
May mali-mali. May mali-mali.
Hindi na record eh.
Oo nga, hindi na-record. Naiinis ako.
Are you
Hindi
both ready?
na-record.
Alright, in 3, 2,
Isa lang
1.
man sablay eh, isa lang.
Sorry, yeah, grab first
Sauce.
Ah, nagunahan.
for food safety.
Ayan no?
Ano kasi yan, hindi pala naka-play.
Okay.
Ganda na. Sana,
In 3, 2, 1.
sana all.
Go! Make your burger. Having their dinner
Sana lahat
already.
may tumbler.
If you have any questions, we McDonald's team are around. to
Wala nang
answer.
gift.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Ito na raw sa atin.
Ayan guys,
Tapos na yung pag-games, wala nang papel.
yan. It's really enjoy. And then coffee is very good. And then
Ito na. Hindi na natin. Oh.
sira.
Sa likod oh.
Sad brand.
Ayan oh.
McDonald's.
Alam mo nasa likod ko guys, yan ng GM. GM lang naman. GM ng McDonald's. Ayan na si ate. Asan na yung beef namin
Asan
te?
yan? Parating na. Nandiyan.
Ayan. Niluluto na yung beef. Ayan.
Sana ulit na ang touch, bro.
Ayun, thank you.
Palitan ko na.
Sige.
Para hindi ka naman rap.
Thank you.
Maraming
Salamat.
Parating
Salamat
na po yung
ate.
food nyo. Hi guys, thank you so much.
Visit nyo sila guys dito sa McDonald's Alsat.
Shoutout ko si Facility Livings ng Norway. Shoutout ko
Right.
Casino Pub siya.
Crispy beef.
Tsaka ano siya, yung
Ito yung beef.
healthy siya. Alam mo bakit natin yung loob? Bakit masabing healthy?
Hindi, teka lang.
Ito yung sa akin, chicken. So, chicken. From the packaging, ang ganda ng packaging.
Chicken ba yung ano?
Yeah, chicken yung order.
Bagong bago to guys.
Bagong-bago.
Yan oh.
So, tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob. What's inside?
Yung bagong-bago, mas talagang crushing yummy talaga siya. Kung yung McDonald's,
Yung bun niya, hindi siya pangkaraniwang bun. So, I think brown bread.
Saka iba siya, napaka-healthy na tignan.
Wow.
Healthy naman talaga siya kasi
May
hindi naman
cheese,
Ito
may
guys, oh.
onion, may lettuce. Oh, man.
So, ano kami nagawin guys? Punta na kayo dito sa McDonald's. Al-Sad, Qatar.
Ito ang ating ano guys.
cheesy niya.
Kasi ng vegetable.
Ito na yung beef. Crispy beef.
Crispy talaga siya.
Okay. Laki oh. Laki guys ito.
Ang lala yan, no?
Kamusta? Ang taste ng ating
Yan. Mga ano siya masarap kasi meron siyang medyo flavor na mas spicy.
yun.
Ang
Yung
sarap.
ating jalapeno.
Yun yung napaka...
Sarap.
Matching yung flavor.
Sarap ng beef.
Saka yung bun.
Lasang-lasa.
Parang relasyon, kailangan may kunting spicy.
Ay, ganun. Talaga.
Yung sauce niya guys, ang sarap.
Good yun ah.
Ang laki siya guys. Malaking burger siya.
Sulit na sulit.
Yun, really good.
Sarap.
Ayan o.
Very nice.
Sarap guys, grabe oh. So,
Sige, unbox natin.
i-visit nyo na guys ang McDonald's, any branch dito sa Qatar.
Okay guys,
Select nyo tong beef, masarap.
ang sarap na ito. It's like a relationship with a spicy.
Try natin next time yung chicken.
May pagka-sweet naman dito, sweet and spicy.
Meron siyang tortillas.
Ano niya?
Meron siyang tortillas, no?
Ay, thank you so much. Dahil ayan, oh.
Yun ang nagpapakrispy sa kanya yung tortillas niya.
You know, I I got something here. So,
gutom na gutom ka, isakto.
so thank you McDonald's. Thank you very much.
Salamat po, McDonald's Qatar,
Salamat McDonald's Qatar. Love ko to.
for the sponsoring our food.
Love ko to ba? Tama ba?
Yeah, love ko to.
Love ko to.
Love ko to.
McDonald's Qatar.
Ano convince? Masarap ba?
Ang sarap.
Bakit masarap?
Kasi ano, crunchy.
Yun lang ba?
Sarap ng beef, no?
Alam ba?
Iba yung lasa niya sa mga dati.
Crunchy?
O, mga kakaiba siya kasi may twist. O, may twist siya ngayon. Dati kasi, natural lang na may tomato, may tomatoes, no? So, ang masasabi ko talaga, iba yung twist niya. Kasi usually, no, yung lagi natin kinakain, yung
Regular lang, no?
regular lang, may kamatis, may gulay-gulay.
Lettuce,
Lettuce. Ngayon, nilagyan siya ng crunchy,
May ano siya, tortillas siya.
tortilla, something na, tapos spicy pa. Yung tamang spicy lang, parang relasyon nila.
Max. Boom. Alright.
alam
Thank
mo na.
you, Sir Mel.
Oh, yeah, thank you, Coach.
Ayan, grabe no.
Iba na yun, ha?
Galing nung explanation niya, guys.
Ayun, so,
Food